struggle ni real. Strugglers movement, struggle ni real.
This movement stems from the need for Kenyans to be heard and shape the decision-making processes at the community, county and national level. We are here to demonstrate that participation and inclusion of the critical masses can drive social, economic and political change.
Its objective, one, to end the struggle by freeing Kenyans from the politics of deceit and invite them into the politics of hard work, peaceful coexistence, good governance and sustainable development.
Strugglers movement, struggle ni real. Strugglers movement, struggle ni real.
Our strategy is very simple. Our strategy is to ensure that in 2022 we have the real struggler who will ensure that we end corruption. We have the real struggler who will ensure that we end negative ethnicity. We have the real struggler who will ensure that we strengthen devolution by adopting the ward as the primary unit of accelerated development, because majority of the strugglers are at the villages, are at the wards.
We are not interested in political parties. This is a movement for young people. And the R you're seeing, we are not supporting anyone. The R means real. Kama hujaona hiyo real, sisi tunasema struggle ni
real.
Tuna struggle na unity yetu kweli?
Struggle ni real.
Tuna struggle na mambo ya education kweli?
Struggle ni real.
Tuna struggle na mambo ya healthcare kweli?
Struggle ni real.
Kwa hivyo Kenya ni a struggling nation.
Struggle ni real. Strugglers movement, struggle ni real.